Hello, food enthusiasts. I'm your guide to the incredible world of African cuisine, a vibrant tapestry of flavors, traditions, and heartwarming dishes. From the spicy jollof rice of West Africa, with its glistening grains of amber, to the comforting fufu served with rich stews, every dish tells a story. Imagine the spongy, bubble-pocked surface of injera, perfect for scooping up savory Ethiopian stews, or the smoky aroma of grilled tilapia, its skin charred and crispy. Our ingredients are as diverse as our continent, featuring vibrant peppers, elongated okra pods, and fibrous cassava, all bursting with natural goodness. These culinary traditions have been passed down through generations, creating meals that are not just food, but celebrations of community and heritage. From hearty stews to flavorful grilled meats and unique flatbreads, African cuisine offers an unforgettable journey for your taste buds. So, next time you're looking for an adventure, explore the rich, authentic flavors of African food. You won't be disappointed.